welcome to Research Circle. Welcome again. So today the topic for discussion is 7 advantage of strong brand strategy for your business. Owning a company that offers some kind of services is not enough to build a strong brand. Many people wrongly believe that they only need to exist on the market and the customers will come along them. That's not true, because even if something did that, they are not a rule but exclusion from it. The basic rule when starting a new company is to have a strong business strategy so you can attract more customers who will buy something for you or use your services. So, a good branding strategy will help you to build trust and establish a deep connections with your potential clients. Maintaining a strong brand strategy is also known as active brand management, and that is a powerful way to use your strategies from your own good but also against your competition. One of the key things that you need to take care is to always be present on the advertising channel like a TV or a website banner or something social media. So the branding will help you stay relevant and competitive, but it may also cause an emotional reaction within the customers and make them choose you over and over again. So, but the main question here is how it helps attract more customer. What are the benefits of strong branding strategy? Here in this video, we'll discuss some of the proper strategies that help your companies to stay competitive on the market. The first one comes here is it's a good for appearance. So people enjoy in a beautiful and good looking things. If you have two cakes, one that looks good but it's not that delicious, and other one that is not decorated, it's delicious, people are more likely to choose the first one. Why they do so? Our brain associates appealing things with the quality, which is not always necessary. They don't know which product is better until they try one, but when they need to choose, they will take the one that looks more attractive to them. So if you have a high quality product, you must take care also of how it looks. People say we should judge we should judge our brain associated in the feeling things. If you have a high quality product, you must take care also how it looks. So people say we shouldn't judge the book by its cover, but the cover is that one attracts us to take a book and get interest in it. So this analogy will help you to understand better why is branding important, and you must invest in a good strategy. The next point come here is your customers stay loyal and always come back for more. Emotional connection with the customers is always associated with the brand. Let's take an example of a child and a bar of a chocolate. If you let a child choose a chocolate, they will take the one that is vibrant and good looking, even if it means that chocolate by itself it's not that good. When the kid grows up, he or she wouldn't remember how that chocolate tasted, but they will always remember how good it was looking. But as we mentioned in the previous slide, people are emotional and nostalgic, that this is what makes them loyal to some brand. So if you have a strong bond between you and your customer, you can sure that will try a new products and recommend them to their friends and family. So you can use the emotions and the nostalgia to optimize your brand strategy and get customers, potential customers. The next point come here is your clients are on the social media. So promotional emails and news settlers are still good, but they may not be the best option to reach your audience. Keep in mind that people today use their social media profiles for everything. So that is why your branding strategy needs to be included on the social media advertising. Create a strong social media campaign and use services like any example in the market to connect with the proper Instagram user that will help you to promote your products. So don't forget that today's people literally wake up and fall asleep with the smartphones in their hands. So you must create this, you must consider this thing, that social media and Facebook are the good example of social media advertising. The next point come here is a strong marketing campaigns. Having a brand requires a marketing strategy too. When it has a recognizable brand, it's easier for you to get a better advertising space on a traditional media. So your marketing department will spend a lot of money to place you on a TV, billboards and social media. The more relevant you are, the better the ad space you get. The next point come here is people will want to work for you. Many people prefer to work for developed and trusted brands, so that will make you popular between people who are looking for a job, and you have a full right to choose the best one of them who will help you to increase your brand's worth in the future. So this is also an extra benefit of branding. You never stop developing and upgrading. When you are recognizable and trustworthy, or the companies or the businessmen want to create a collaborations and partnership with you, the use you use this power. You have to never stop developing your business and always trying to get a better and better. You should be open to suggestions on how you can improve your services, and that will make your brand more valuable on the market. So never stop developing your business. The next come here is the great financial performance. Now strong brands have better financial performance because they are already in the people's mind, selling products and services and make a lifetime connection with the clients. That will make your company even more attractive for the investors and shareholders, and they will uh, want to help you financially to be the best you can. Almost all the powerful brands have investors and stakeholders to help them to stay competitive and offer the best product and services to the customers. So, in a short, we can conclude this in a nutshell that these are the only few benefits that a good branding strategy may bring to your business. You must be aware that you need a good branding strategy that may bring your business very high. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to Research Circle.